Hey, what's up guys? Joker here, and I hope you're all doing well. Today I just need to bring you a quick video to explain how to fix an audio issue on the PC in the recently released Call of Duty Modern Warfare, which just came out today, and I had a problem with the game immediately as soon as I started playing it, where I was having crackling or kind of like a buzzing audio sound constantly when I was playing the game or even when I was in the menus, and it was absolutely doing my head in. I'll give you a quick example right now of some gameplay that I actually posted to the channel earlier, so you can get an idea of what it actually sounds like, and so you can identify if you're actually having the same issue that I was and many other people are having as well. So yeah, it's pretty irritating. It's a constant buzzing thing. Honestly, I thought maybe my speakers were broken at first, and I tried going through the different audio options in the game because they have quite a few different mixes that you can go through, like TV, surround sound, home theater, all that kind of stuff. And I am using a 5.1 surround sound setup, so I wasn't really sure what was going on there, but I was able to find a Reddit post which was talking about this and how to actually fix the issue. And it's actually to do with the frequency of your audio settings within Windows. If it's set to 44.1K hertz, then you are most likely having this issue. And my speakers definitely support higher frequencies than that. I guess at some point in time, maybe they got reset or whatever, or it just might be the default, honestly. There's really not much of a difference in terms of audio quality that you can actually hear between the different frequencies, at least in my experience. So if you're having this issue, it does have to do with the audio frequency, and it's a very simple fix. So I just do want to quickly show you guys how to fix it now if you're having this issue in Modern Warfare. So if you're at your desktop, you're going to want to go ahead and click the speaker icon in the bottom right, and then you're going to want to click Open Sound Settings. Now, once you're in here, this is not the usual menu that they used to have, but this is what it does now in Windows 10. So once you're in here, you're going to want to click on Sound Control Panel, and that's the menu that it used to open up by default before Windows 10 started forcing you into this new modern user interface. So from there, you're going to want to click on whichever audio device you're using. If you have multiple devices, you're going to want to do this for all of them. If you have speakers or headphones, obviously I have a DAC here as well as my speakers, and the issue would be present on both of them. So you're going to want to make sure any devices you intend on using for Call of Duty Modern Warfare that you go ahead and apply this fix. So for me, it's the optical speakers. That was the primary device I was using at the time. You're going to want to right-click that, come down to Properties, and then once you're in here, you got a bunch of different tabs at the top. So you're going to want to go to the Advanced tab in here, and you'll see this drop down. Now, if you're having the audio issue, more than likely you're going to be set to something like the 2-channel 16-bit 44.1 thousand hertz-ish, I almost called it an issue, the 44.1K hertz frequency. And it could honestly be any of them in here. If you're on 44.1K, you are probably having this issue in Modern Warfare, and that's why you found this video. So to fix it, you're really just going to want to switch over to any other supported format for your device. For most people, you should be able to use 48,000 hertz without an issue. My device is able to support up to 96,000 hertz on my 5.1 surround sound speakers, so that's what I'm using. I'm using the 96,000 on studio quality. Before you go ahead and close out of here, just to make sure, whichever you set it to, whether it's 48,000, 96,000, or whatever, just go ahead and click the test button, and you'll hear a couple of bells go off on your speakers. And as long as you hear that and you get that audible response when clicking on the test button, then you'll know that the setting that you applied is going to at least work on your PC, and then you can load back into Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and hopefully the issue should be resolved for you. As long as you're not on 44.1K, the issue should go ahead and be resolved for you. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you had this issue and this helped you out, let me know down in the comments below as well. If you enjoyed this video or learned something, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on it. Subscribe if you're not already. And if you've been here for a while, ring that notification bell. That way you never miss a moment of content when it goes up live on the channel. And I'll see you all tomorrow for another video. Ta-ra.